So over here, I have a template and you don't see any menus over here in this particular template. Let's just go ahead and add in a custom menu for this particular template. So the custom menus may be supported in some templates while in others it may not be. So you got to find the template that actually supports it. So as long as you support it, then you can simply go around onto customize, and over here you can see that menus is an option. So once you go around onto menus right here, you can see that I have a sample menu right here. But what I can also do is create my own menu, and let's say for example type in TutorTube menu right here, just like this. So let's say this menu is going to be in the primary location on the top, and then on the footer, and in the social links menu as well. So let's just go ahead and then add in items. So as soon as I do that, the menu is added in, but you don't see anything because I still need to add in items. So I'm going to add in a home, a sample right here, and you can see the menu items pop up right here, the post, event, and contact, and that is what you have, as you can see. So you can see the sample right here, and on the bottom as well, you can see all of these right here. So because I added it in the footer as well. So apart from that, I can also go ahead and let's say for example make the sample the sub category of the post, so it actually has a drop down menu like this as well. You can also go ahead and add in menus, and then let's say for example reorder it out as well to get the menu item working the way you want as well. So that is what you have. You can reorder this out and then utilize these arrow keys right here to go ahead and change around the location of these posts as well. So that is what you can do. You can go ahead add in more items like let's say for example testimonials and then tags and so forth as well, just like this, and it can be added in as a link, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and add in custom menus inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.